Welcome to Smart Star Tech. Hello all. In this video we are going to learn the basic structure of C program. For every C program we have the following sections: documentation section, linker section, definition section, global declaration section, main section, user-defined function section. Let us learn why we need these sections. Documentation section is used to have comments to explain current program, which is done in single or multi-line comments. Linker section will include some of the standard header files. In general, header files will have .h extension. A header file contains save function declarations and macro definitions, for example stdio.h, mat.h, etc. And in stdio.h we have a declaration for printf, scanf, etc. for reading or writing data. And if you want to use these functions, you definitely need to include the header file stdio.h, and in math.h we will have all the mathematical functions declarations like finding the power or square root of a number. Again, if you want to use these functions, you shall include math.h header file. So that is the linker section where we include the header files like this, and then we have the definition section where we include the constants, variables or macros, definition or user-defined function to be used in main section. Every program must have this main section, and when we run the program, the operating system begins the execution from the main function, and we can write the code inside the main function, and these sections together make a C program. Last but not the least, we have user-defined